Question number 53 on the Math 086 final review. 7 minus x equals 2. We simply want to solve for x or get x by itself. So what we're going to first do is I see that we have a 7 in front of the x. What we want to do is we want to get rid of that. And it's positive on this side. So we're going to make it negative to get rid of it. So we're going to subtract 7 from this side. And we're going to subtract 7 from the other side, okay? So you subtract 7 from the left side, you subtract 7 from the right side. And now we get x alone, but we're going to get a variable as a negative x alone. So negative x equals 2 minus 7. Because remember, the 7's cancel each other out. A positive 7 minus a negative 7 basically gives you 0. Okay? So we're done there. Now we have negative x equals 2 minus 7. So 2 minus 7 is a negative 5. So what we do know is negative x equals negative 5. You would assume that we're done, but we can't leave the negative in front of the variable because we want to solve for just x, not negative x. So in order to get rid of the negative in front of the x, we want to multiply by a negative 1, okay? So we're going to multiply a negative 1 on this side, and we're going to multiply a negative 1 on the opposite side. And that's simply so it's balanced. So we're going to have the equivalent equation, okay? We're going to have the equivalent answer, okay? And so in order to get rid of the variable, the negative in front of the x variable, we're going to multiply by negative 1 on both sides. So a negative 1 times a negative x is going to give us positive x. A negative 5 times a negative 1 is going to give us a positive 5. So x equals positive 5.